Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to configure Google Chrome experimental web platform features, step by step, fully updated for 2026. These features allow developers and advanced users to test upcoming web technologies before they become stable. First, open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type Chrome://flags, then press Enter. This opens the Chrome flags page, where experimental and unfinished features are listed. At the top, you'll see a warning message. Remember, these features are experimental and may cause instability, so only enable what you really need. Now, use the search bar to find experimental web platform features. You'll see a flag named exactly that. Click the drop-down menu next to it. To enable experimental web APIs, select Enabled. This allows Chrome to activate new and upcoming web platform features such as experimental JavaScript APIs, CSS features, and browser capabilities. After changing the setting, click Relaunch at the bottom of the page. Chrome must restart for the change to take effect. Once Chrome restarts, experimental features will be active. Developers can now test new browser behaviors, APIs, and platform updates in a real environment. If you experience crashes, performance issues, or broken websites, return to Chrome://flags and set the option back to default. You can also click Reset All to Default at the top to disable all experimental features instantly. It's important not to use experimental features on production systems or critical work environments. These features are meant for testing and development only. And that's it. By using Chrome flags, enabling experimental web platform features, testing carefully, and resetting when needed, you can safely explore upcoming Chrome web technologies. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome developer and advanced tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.